Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Maru Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to continue our series on practice set. So quickly join in live and we'll be starting in no time. And before we start, I'll just briefly tell you about, what I'm going to talk about, right? So if you already know, why don't you do it? Why do I have to tell you every day, right? Okay, what am I going to tell you? Put it in the chat box. Like, comment, subscribe. I think you should now remember this as a default on YouTube. If you're watching a YouTube video, provided you're liking it, of course, you hit a like, you comment something positive, hopefully, anything, whatever you like, and do share the video and subscribe to the channel, right? So with that being said, let's start the session today. But before starting, I have something to share with you, which I will be sharing in the middle of the session, somewhere in the middle. Okay, so quickly join in live and we'll be starting the practice session with a timer like we regularly do in our sessions. Here's the timer and voila, we start. Quick, super fast revision, super fast series. Share the session, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Also like this video. See, from the word we can clearly see what is it. It seems to be 11, right? ELEVEN. Now we have 3 E's here, so we can start with either 2 or 3 or 5. Now with 5 it is not, or 6. With 6 it is not starting. It is not starting with obviously 4. So with 2 or 3. But 3, 4, 1 is ENL. So this is also not it. So 213 is clear. ELE is done. The next one is 4 and 5 here. ELEV. So V means 5. So option C is the right answer. That's how quickly you can get it done. Alright. Answers in the chat box. Answers in the chat box. Where's the enthusiasm of my students? Instantly it should click you that okay, this is the logic. Okay, 1732154. So this gives away actually. This gives away. And what is this? This is basically, we know that 216 is 6 cube. This is 3. So what am I doing is I am doubling 3, cubing it and reducing it by 1 to get 215. I should apply it here also. So I am doubling 1, cubing it and reducing 1 to get 7. Yes, it's correct. So with 4, what will I do? I'll doubling 4, that is 8, cube it and reduce 1. So I'll get 511 as my answer, which is option C. As simple as that. So look for hints which are actually giving away the question. Otherwise, more or less, it's always easy only. Very good, Dibya. Excellent. Okay, so what is it? How is K related to T? How is k related to t? So t hash y means t is the mother of y. Y at the rate m means y is the sister of m. M hash m% k means f is the wife of m is the wife of k. How is t related to k? K, t is the mother-in-law. How is k related to t? Sorry. So daughter's husband is the correct answer. Option C is the right one. No, I think C was right. Yeah, I think this is also not difficult, but sometimes it's going to take time to come to your head directly. Oh, very good, very good, very good. Excellent. Yes, correct. Square into 3 is the right logic. So this is what these two options will give it away basically. So this is 21 into 7, right? What is 7? 7 is 7 into 21 is 7 into 3. So we can call it as 7 square into 3, and we can verify it here. We know that 36 into 3 is 108. So this is also 6 square into 3. Now you know 8 square 64 into 3 or 9 square 81 into 3. So 234. Option D is the correct answer. Next. Hi Abhinav. What about the likes? As in when you're joining the session, keep liking it. And if you're giving me an answer, I want the logic also. Yes, anyone? Logic, logic, logic. I want a logic. Why MLOPHY? MLOHPY. Hi Dinesh, good evening. Yes. FORMED. Should we write down the place values? 6, 15, 18, 13, 5, 4, 13, 20, 15, 8, 24, 21. So this is plus 9, plus 15, plus 2. No, does not make sense. 23 minus 10. This is 22. Does not make sense. 21, 12, double, 15, 9 minus 1, 14 plus 1, 5, 2 minus 2. Does not make sense. What is it? Anybody? Maybe it's not coming to me right now, but is it being broken down? OFMT. FTOM. Okay, wait. Is this making sense? So this is 6. Reverse is 21 minus 1. Reverse is 12 plus 1. Okay. Reverse is 9 minus 1. And reverse is n plus 1. Correct. And this is reverse is v minus 1. Correct. And this reverse is w plus 1. Wonderful. Wonderful. We've got the logic. So what is the logic? We are crossing it, dividing it into two parts, crossing, and then reverse minus 1 and reverse plus 1. Okay. Now look for the code of normal. So slash, slash, cross, 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 reverse minus 1, reverse plus 1. Okay. So this is 15. Reverse is L. 12 minus 1 is, sorry, reverse plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. So for O we already know it is M. So it will start with M, which is option B. But let's complete it for the sake of it. Reverse is M minus 1 is L. Then M is 13. Reverse is N plus 1 is O. 18. 9 minus 1 is H. L is 12. Reverse is O plus 1 is P. And A is Z minus 1 is Y. So MLOHPY is absolutely right. Next. Question number 6. Good question. Yeah, it happens. It can happen with the best of us. Anybody who did not understand can let me know, okay? This is very easy. You simply have to substitute your signs. Correct. So, plus means minus, divide means plus, minus means into means divide, and plus means minus. So this is 5 divided by 20 into 20. So 20 gets cancelled. You will be left with 5 here. And 7 plus 5, 12 minus 2 is 10. Option A is the right answer. That's it. Next. Okay, Abhinav. I'll explain it again. Let's finish this question. We'll explain it again to you. Okay, let's find the differences. So 61 and 73, we have 12. 73 and 99, we have 17, is it? No, sorry, my bad. 16, 26, oh my god. 99 and 141, so we have 41 and 42. 141 and 201 is 60. Anything which is connecting? 12 into 2 plus 2, 26 into 2 minus 3, 42 into 2, no, not making sense. 6 into 2, 13 into 2, 21 into 2, 30 into 2 is not making sense. Take the difference again, so this is 14, 26, so we'll have 6, 16, I believe this is 18, yeah, so makes sense, plus 2, so this is plus 2, 20, so this is 80 and 281 will be the next answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next. Oh, next, no, before we go next, I'll explain this to Abhinav. See, Abhinav, look at this code clearly, okay? The code is, if I have formed F, O, R, M, E, D. First step is I am breaking this into two parts, that is 2 words each. Okay, what will be their place values? So I'll have 6, 15, 18, 13, 5, 4. Now I also want their reverse place values. Okay, I should know their reverse letters, that means. Now I am crossing this here. Okay, and I am doing, this is reverse plus 1. So this is reverse plus 1. This is reverse minus 1. Again, reverse minus 1, reverse plus 1, reverse minus 1, reverse plus 1. Now exchange. So what is reverse of O? Reverse means reverse place value or reverse letter of O. If O is 15, the reverse is L at 12, because their sum should always be 27. So you just subtract from 27 and get your answer. So the reverse coding, reverse letter for O is L, and L plus 1 is M. So we come at M. Okay, reverse plus 1. Now here we have reverse minus 1. Reverse for F is U. 6 plus 21 is 27. 27 minus 6 is 21. So U minus 1 is 20, which is T. Okay, next. Reverse plus 1. 13 reverse is 14, that is N. 14 plus 1 is 15, so we have O. 18 reverse is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, so we have H. Okay, similarly. D reverse is 4 reverse is 23. 23 plus 1 is 24, that is X. And E reverse is 22. 22 minus 1 is 21, that is U. So the code for formed is this. Abhinav, is it clear now? The knowledge of reverse letters needs to be clear for this question. Good. Now try this. Perfect, perfect, not an issue. This is a good question actually. You can take some more time for this. See, understand stepwise, okay? You can understand stepwise what exactly is happening. So there is a row where everybody is facing north, okay? Shruti is 19th from the left end. Shruti is 19th from the left end. And Seema is 11th from the right end. Seema is 11th from the right end. Now check, 11 plus 19 is 30. And this data is always greater than 30. So we should not have a problem there. Okay, that means this is not an overlapping case. That much is for sure. Now they interchange their positions. Okay, so this is Seema and this is Shruti. Should rather write RU only, because we have Shriyesh also. Shriyesh, who sits 20th from the left end, sits 5th place to the left of Shruti's new position. Shruti's new position, 5th to the left, means you'll add 5 here. So it will be 16th. From the right end, this is position of Shriyesh, who is 20th from the left end. So what are the total number of people? 20 plus 16, 36 minus 1, 35. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Correct. Very good. Excellent. Anybody who is not understanding, just let me know. Next. Embedded figure. Oh, this is very easy. Correct. Option B is the absolute right answer. See, here it is. Preference is always given to same shape and same orientation. Same orientation, same size. Okay. Same orientation, same size. So option B is the right answer. Next. Very easy again, guys. Not worth 50 seconds, but anyways. Anyone? Sorry for the noise. Very good, Argamita. Excellent. What is the logic here? See, look at this circle. See, circle and arrow, they are moving together only basically. One step clockwise, then 2 steps clockwise. Then 1 step clockwise, then 2 steps clockwise. Let's just look at one entity. Just look at the circle. Circle, first going 2 step clockwise, then 1 step clockwise. Then 2 step clockwise, then 1 step clockwise. So the next will be 2 step clockwise. So we'll be having the circle in this direction. Oh, sorry. Circle will be here. Correct. Arrow will be right next to it. But this is gone. This is gone. Because this is a totally different direction. Here the circle is highlighted. And here this is also gone because the arrow is different. The arrow will remain the same. So option B is the clear-cut correct answer. Very easy question. Next. Yeah, 90-45 means that's it. Plus 2 clockwise plus 1 clockwise. One is the same thing. Correct. Simple elements are giving you the answer of. Just start from here. So S5J5, 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 S5J3. This is gone. Now if you look, the flipping is correct. Okay. Then we have 3T. So we have 3F. This is gone. 3T, 3T. Okay. And the next one is F. This F is not flipping only. So option D is the correct answer. Just check for single elements and get your answer. One by one, you'll always get your answer correct. Next. Oh, this is very easy, guys. Should give you 20 seconds for this. Symmetry will give it away. So here also the answer is option D only, right? If you look at it clearly, this is a straight rectangle here and this is a tilted one. So, and there's a gap here. So there will be a gap when the paper is unfolded also. Okay, so which is being satisfied in option D. These are straight lines and these are in crosses, but this is not happening here. So this is gone. This is completely off and this is completely stuck. So none of these will be the answer. Option D is correct here. Sorry. Next. Option correct. Option D makes sense again. Option D makes sense again. So this is because there is a single triangle here and a line in between, which is absent here. There are two triangles here and there is no line in between. So this is gone. There is a line here, but this line is crossing into this triangle, which is nowhere happening. So this is also gone. There is a triangle, there is a proper line, but if you look at this triangle here, which is going to be a part of this figure, is very large. It's almost crossing till the half end, which is not possible. This is also deleted. Option D makes the most sense, hence it is the correct answer. Next. Very good, Argamita and Naveen. You guys are doing a good job. But what about the rest of you? Why did you stop trying? If you need more time, tell me. I'll wait. I'm not trying to push you in a zone. It's just that if our accuracy is coming out to be good, we should focus on the time as well. See, I want this to be as customized for you as possible. So I told you sometimes I'll be bringing in a mix of good level questions. So I will do that. But not all of them will be difficult. Some of them will be very easy also. So we'll have a good mix, and if you need time, that is what you let me know. Yes. Okay, Naveen has given us an answer. Let's see. All classrooms are school. No school is a park. All houses are parks. Remember, all houses are parks. Don't draw it alternatively. Some house being classroom is a possibility. See, house and classroom, they are restricted indirectly because school and parks are restricted. So house is completely in parks, class is completely in school. So they can never be together. Okay. And if I say some houses being classroom is a possibility, it's not possible because it breaches my statement. So this is an incorrect conclusion altogether. Neither definite nor possible. No school may be park. No school may be park. I want an answer here. I want an answer here. Will 2 follow or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Just give me a yes or no. Should 2 follow or no? Good. So when I teach syllogism, I clearly mention if a conclusion is definitely true and then we are adding a possibility to it, it will become false. It will become false. If your conclusion is following in the definite case, see, no school is park. No school is park is absolutely right. No school is park is derived from the statement only. Now if I am saying no school may be park, that is totally incorrect. A definite conclusion with the word possibility, may be or can be, is absolutely incorrect. So 2 is also wrong. And no school is a house. No school is a house is also correct. So only 3 is the right one. Only conclusion 3 follows. Option D is the correct answer. Interesting, right? So this is what possibility does to your brain. The moment you see the word possibility, maybe everything starts going haywire for those who are not in practice with syllogism. Next, critical reasoning. Correct, very good. Others, what's wrong? I need your participation. Only Argamita and Naveen are giving me correct answers. At least you can give me answers. They need not be correct. Whatever you think is right, I want that. Don't be shy to answer. Tomorrow you'll become an officer. How will you, conduct your daily routines? This is also a classic question. Classic critical reasoning trap of overthinking and self-assumption. Now again, a lot of students read the statement, cost of gold is increasing. Cost of gold is increasing in the market. What can you conclude from this? What can you conclude from this? A lot of people say this is right. Gold is becoming a rare ornament. And obviously people cannot buy gold is a very straightforward cancellation, which is right. But the main debate occurs on conclusion 1. Okay, now you tell me. Correct, Argamita, absolutely right. Now you tell me that every day in your market, you know that cost of gold rises, cost of gold falls. So what do you think is happening? Is it that today gold became rare, tomorrow gold became suddenly available, again day after tomorrow gold became rare, then it became available? That is not the case. It is simply a market driven fact of demand and supply. Demand is high, supply is low, rates are higher. Demand is low, supply is high, rate is lower. It's as simple as that. It's economics driven. It has got nothing to do with rarity. And a lot of people, because they gold cannot be called a rare metal, guys. It is known as a precious metal. Have a differentiation in terms of science also. Okay. There are rare metals, but gold is a precious metal, and that is why you will not say that because gold is becoming more and more rare, the price is increasing. This conclusion in itself is a faulty conclusion. So my answer will be neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. This is a classic question. This is also a previous year question, I believe. Okay. Data sufficiency. Good attempt, but I like it. Correct. Correct. Absolutely right. Now the question is, among 4 friends, Arjun, Pawan, Neeraj and Sunil, who is the heaviest? Okay. Statement 1 alone or 2 alone? 1 alone says Arjun and Pawan are of the same weight. Does this help? No. Second says Pawan weighs more than Neeraj but less than Sunil. Does this help? No. But if I take them together, then I can say that this is the order. So I know who is the heaviest. It is Sunil. I don't want the answer, but I can get from option B. So both statements together are needed. Next. Correct, Dinesh. Very good. Correct. What is the logic? This is a very, so this is an SSC MTS previous year question. This was asked in SSC MTS, but I put it here so that, because I know that in the railway examinations, digit based calculation is important. Okay. Now, what is happening here? 5, 2, 7, 4, 11, 9, 0, 2, 11, 7, 3, 10, 1, 11. The sum is 11 for all the cases. So, if you observe, 218 will become 11. This is 15, this is 13, and this is 12. So, option C is the right answer. Okay. Next. Correct. Very good. If you're practicing for SSC, don't worry. These questions now don't come in SSC CGL examinations. Even CHSL, they've stopped asking this. Maybe MTS sometimes they might ask. But if you're preparing for RRB railway examinations, then this is a must do for you, because RRB still puts across questions from digit based calculations. Musicians, females, daughters. All daughters are females and some of them are musicians. Option D is the right answer, guys. Option D is the most appropriate answer. All daughters are females and some daughters and some females are musicians. Okay. Inequality. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. You can either connect the whole expression or connect whatever is required, either which ways. So if I connect it from normally only, P equal to D, do I have a D? No, I have a B. B is greater than G. Do I have a G? No, C, U, U, R, C, S. So they are not connected basically. Okay, let's not waste time. Now S is less than C. So we have C, U and C, S. Okay, S is less than C. That is already correct. S is less than U. C equal to U, so S is less than U. Correct. C is less than R. C equal to U, U is greater than R. So C is greater than R, not less than R. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Cool. Option C is the right answer. Now, before I proceed, as I told you, I have something for you, which I'll be showing you in the middle of the session. So don't go anywhere. We'll be continuing with the questions. Okay. This is right in front of you for SSC and railway examinations. For the courses, etc., everything is available flat 51% off. So you can go ahead and check it out. If you are currently preparing for your railways examination, then for that, obviously you can go for the railway super elite. If you're preparing for SSC, you can go for SSC super elite. If you're preparing for both, you can go for the combo of SSC and Railway Super Elite, which gives you all the access to all Hindi, English classes, tests, notes, everything. Okay. And right now, we are running the RRB NTPC Score Booster course for CBT 1 and 2 and RRB Score Booster course for RRB ALP as well. So, if you're either preparing for the ALP exam or the NTPC exam, you can go ahead and check these courses. The wonderful benefit of these courses is they are available exclusively both in Hindi and English. Hindi means English. And the second important point is they are inclusive of the psychometric test. Those who are preparing for railways, they know that psychometric tests are very important and nobody at any platform is going to prepare you for the same. But we are doing that. We have introduced this for the first time. Full length psychometric sessions will be held wherein it will be conducted by me only. I'll be discussing questions based on psychometric tests. What exactly happens, what kind of questions are asked, what is expected, and how you can be ready for something which is novel or new for you and you don't get nervous. So go ahead and subscribe to the same, right? And we already know that oliveboard is the choice of toppers. So Don't stay behind in the race, right? On that note, we will be ending this session apart from the bonus question for you guys today. So this is the bonus question. Bonus question is from sitting arrangement. I am purposefully bringing slightly bigger questions as a bonus question, because what happens is you guys keep answering in the class only. I don't want that to happen. So take the screenshot of this question. Take the screenshot of this question and immediately answer this after the session is over. After the session is over. And as I told you in the very beginning, hit the like button right now. If you have not hit it when you joined the session, hit it now or before leaving the session. Also share this session across platforms, wherever you're a part of, YouTube, WhatsApp, so that other aspirants can also benefit from whatever we're bringing on them. Do comment, guys. I'm waiting for your comments eagerly. I think I'm thankful to those students who commented in the previous video. I also, like those comments personally. Sometimes I reply also with my personal ID. So you can do that, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon if you want regular updates from our channel. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. My name is Marush Sharma. I'm signing off. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Namaskar. Jai Hind.